Hey there folks, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this one, I'm going to walk you through a simple and efficient way to bulk delete emails in Gmail before a specific date. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of old emails? Well, fear not. You can declutter your inbox by deleting a bunch of emails all at once before a particular date. Here's how you can do it. Please open your Gmail account and then click this filter here. And then you can choose a date within here, within if it's 1 month, 2 months, or 2 weeks. And use this calendar here to select a date range. For example, let's try August 12, 2023, and then all mail. And then all you have to do now is to click search. So this is a new email account and I don't have any emails within the chosen date range. But don't worry, I will still walk you through on how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. After using the filter to filter the date range of the emails you want to search, it should show a lot of emails here within that specific date range. To select all these emails, look for the checkbox just above your emails. It's right here. And then once you've selected all the emails you want to bid farewell to, click on the trash can icon. And after that, all the emails will be deleted. And that's it. You've just learned how to declutter your Gmail inbox by bulk deleting emails received before a specific date. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to bulk delete emails in Gmail before a specific date. See you on my next video.